Welcome back to Iceman X23's Presents special edition of recipes and ideas. You're about to see the final result of the gourmet burger. You're going to see me put it all together and enjoy. And remember, I forgot to mention this in the first part, remember to leave a comment. That's the last little bit I remembered. I forgot to put in last time. Sorry about that. Yeah, please remember, if you like this, like, subscribe, and I'll have more content for you next time. But for now, the next episode I'm going to do is a banana pie with custard on top of the bananas, and then put a little bit more pastry on top of that, and for the final stage, some melted ice cream on top. That's what I'm going to do for the next episode. But for now, let's continue with the gourmet burger. It should be done now. It should be, especially the bacon and then the onion rings. Put these mitts on. Oh yeah, look at that. Don't that look like a beaut? Right, let's take it over to the kitchen. Let's turn this off so it doesn't become a hazard. Just turned it off by the power, so no worries. Let's go over to the kitchen and show you the last bit. Right, here we go. So what I've got here is I've already put the relish on the bun. It's to stop it from slipping out on top, so it doesn't go everywhere. So when I put the burger on, it ain't gonna go anywhere. Some people get to do it in reverse, which is wrong. Because if you think about it, essentially if you put it on top, it's gonna just go everywhere. And the Feast of the Resistance. That is your gourmet burger with the bacon underneath and the onion rings on top. Once again, this has been a presentation from Iceman X23 saying, see you later, and now I'm going to have my tea. Bye.